Hi guys, welcome to another hair tutorial for the series 7 weeks of buns, and for today I'm gonna be showing you how to do this elegant flower bun. I'm going to start by picking up a section of hair on one side. Then I'm going to divide that section into half and twist it over. Add more hair to one hand and twist it over. Add more hair to that hand again. Twist your hair over, and you're basically going to keep repeating this over and over. Repeating this until I have no hair left, and then starting to do a rope braid. You have these two sections and you want to twist them both backward towards your face, and then once we have that, we're going to take the back section and twist it front. So we're going opposite ways, and that's what's going to keep the twist holding in place. Repeat the same thing and secure with a hair tie. I like my hair a little voluminous, so I start to gently tag on these twists. I'm going to take it out, flip it around and just roll it in and secure with some bobby pins. So thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next tutorial.